Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Welcome to the 15 for 15K giveaway drawing. As I mentioned in the giveaway video, I have 15 of these small flat rate boxes already made up. It's going to be a surprise to both of us what the winners end up getting. I'm going to get the laptop up here and I'm going to draw 15 names. We're going to go through. You can only win once. We're going to spread the love around as much as we can. Now, like I said in the video as well, you're going to have a good while to contact me. The sooner you contact me, the better. You're going to email me, BigRedEDC@gmail.com. Send me your mailing address. Send me a screenshot of your YouTube profile just so we can verify everything up. And if you can get it to me by, today, tomorrow, Tuesday, I should be able to get them out before we leave. But I said winners will have until basically SKL time on the 22nd to contact me. We're going to be gone this upcoming weekend. And like I said, if I don't get contacted, if somebody doesn't contact me with their info to claim it by the time I do SKL on the 22nd, I'm just going to start giving these away on the 22nd. There's not going to be a redraw or anything like that. Pretty much giving you ample time to see the video and contact me to claim your prize. So, you're going to email me, BigRedEDC@gmail.com. And again, shipping address, full address, name and address, and a copy. It's just a screenshot of your YouTube profile. So, let's get the laptop up here and find out who these 15 lucky winners are going to be. All right, here we go. We're going to copy that. Bring it over here, plug it in, filtering duplicates, and we are getting our comments. 140 unique comments. Very good. Very good. All right. So let's make this a little bit bigger so we can see everybody. All right. I got my paper. I got my pen. We're going to run through this as best I can. Good luck to everybody. And again, I just want to say thank you all for all your amazing support in getting to this 15K hurdle. So let's find out who our first winner is going to be. Rolf Robertson. Awesome. Very cool, Rolf. You are winner number 1. Very cool. All right. So, we're just going to pick a new winner and go. This is how we're doing it. We're going to get through it. Shane Corson. Awesome. Congratulations, Shane. Sweet. Nice. All right. Picking another one. Angelo. Sweet. Nice. All right. Picking. Keep going. Remember, you can only win once. G-Man. Sweet. Nice. All right. Congrats, G-Man. William B. Lovins. Congratulations, my friend. Nice. Nice. Cooking. We're a third of the way there. 10 more to go. Mike Jernak. Sweet. And I have to say, I'm not reading the comments, guys, because some of them get cut off. But thank you. Thank you for all the very, very kind words. And it's just like I said, your support is amazing. Amazing. Fudgy short. All right, nice. Congratulations, Fudgy. That is a very, very interesting. Interesting handle. Nice. All right. Next up. Oh, that's so much fun. Grizzle Bear. Nice. Excellent. We're rolling. We are rolling. That name just still got me. There's Jay, buddy. Jay Korskinen. Always coming in on SKL with his live from YouTube. I love it. Congratulations, Jay. There he says, live from YouTube. It's right there. It's 15K from Big Red. Oh, my goodness. That's what makes you guys make this so much fun. Dave Burge, our resident EDC article writer down there in Texas. Very, very cool. Congratulations, David. Picking another one. I think this is number 10. Angry Tom. Sweet. Very nice. Congratulations. Tom's basically my neighbor. He lives right. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11? Make it sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, we need 4 more. 4 more. All right. 4 more. I'm not Adrian. Well, if you're not Adrian, then I don't know who you are. I'm not Adrian. Congratulations, not Adrian. Very cool. All right, 3 more. Getting there. Neil Trey. Congratulations, Neil. Awesome. All right. 2 more. Last 2. Neil McKenzie. Nice. We had a double Neil back to back. Neil McKenzie. Congratulations, Neil. Awesome. Oh. Now this should be the last one. I will do one more. I guess I should have numbered them on my piece of paper. Every ever evolving daily carry. Nice. Nice. All right. I'm going to do one final count. Make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have our 15 winners. Now, just as a reminder, once again, all the winners, email me at BigRedEDC@gmail.com to claim your prize. If you claim me in the next couple, if you claim it in the next couple of days, I can get it out to you before Nelly and I take off. We'll be back on Sunday the 16th. You'll have that full next week, to get a hold of me. I mean, you can get a hold of me while we're gone. I just won't be able to ship it out until we get back. But you will have all the way until 10 p.m. Pacific time on the 22nd. That is when that SKL will be. If I have any boxes that haven't been claimed by that time, which I don't think I'm going to have much of a problem, since we're pretty much everybody that won is somebody that is always around the channel. But if a package goes unclaimed, it'll be given away the 22nd on SKL. So, again, thank you so very much, everybody, for all your help in reaching this milestone. It's been a long time coming. It's okay. Having way too much fun to slow down now. So, next probably big one like this. Who knows? I mean, there'll probably definitely be one at 20K, but you know me. In between here and there, you just never know. So, guys, I hope you have a fantastic Sunday. I hope you have a terrific week coming up. Thanks again, everybody. Congratulations to all 15 of our winners. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment because you just never know. Next Sunday, we'll be back to the Sunday surprise giveaways. Just might win you a surprise giveaway. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.